Hey everybody, Scott here. Today I'm going to tell you about Camco's wheel stop. First, be sure to click like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on another new Camco video. Camco's wheel stop is a single piece of equipment that helps you stabilize your tandem wheel trailers so you can park and re-hitch with confidence. It's lightweight and constructed of durable, UV stabilized polymer with a rubber handle. And it's easy to use. Simply spin the wedges to separate them. Place the wheel stop between the tandem tires, and while holding the lower wedge, turn the knob clockwise to bring the lower wedge into contact with the tires. Then continue to turn the knob until the wheel stop is secure. Camco's wheel stop is made for use with tandem tires that are 26 inches to 30 inches in diameter, and there are two sizes available to accommodate different wheel spacings. The standard size wheel stop is made for tire spacing that's 3.5 to 5.5 inches, and the small wheel stop is made for tire spacing that's 1.5 to 3.5 inches. Both sizes are available in a locking version. So there you have it, Camco's wheel stop. If you don't have at least one, you should get one today. They're the wheel deal.
Camco.net.